Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my March Witches Roots box. Yes, it's really late, but here we are. Oh, so it's got a really pretty little stretchy cord. I keep all the cords in the box. I have this deck, Color Lily Rejuvenation. So pretty. I love to keep these. The theme this month is Magical Potency, Volume 1. So we'll come back to that. I like to open everything up. Beautiful art. Herbal potions and brews. Absolutely beautiful. I have a leather binder that I keep these in. I have actually several because there's different types. So this is ginger. Lovely. Very nice. Love ginger. Got a tea bag here. Something a little different than usual, which is why I'm kind of off on my movements. My desk. Every surface in this room is absolutely covered because I'm packing yard sale orders. So, Terra. Let me smell it. This whole box smells phenomenal. It does smell good. Got a little stone here. Very pretty. Okay. We've got Flora's Embrace tea. We've got ginger root for our herbs. We've got Forest Floors incense. Smells like heaven. We've got a candle. I don't have my knife right next to me, so I gotta peel it, which is fine. Beautiful green beeswax candle. Smells like beeswax, very nice. And then of course this pretty little box. Very nice. I don't have, oh, it's not a pretty box. It's an herb grinder. Nice. Super cool. So let's look at the insert. As practitioners, we are always searching for and discovering new methods and ideas for drawing potency into our craft. We find that the information we need the most at a specific time is most commonly provided to us through spontaneous introduction, allowing us to connect the dots for revelation. The discovery of magic through practice, research, and implementation can prove to be one of the most exciting aspects of our journey. We begin to understand our surroundings more deeply and connect with our purpose more intimately. In this very special collection, we work with a unique variety of tools to boost our magical potency and bolster our ability to bring real change and manifestation into our lives. The magical items in this box are as follows. Ginger root. Originates from maritime Southeast Asia. It's the same family as turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. Said to be one of the oldest spices on record. Confucius would eat ginger with every meal. It can be eaten before a spell to bring new energy and potency to the practitioner. Conducts heat within the stomach and thus magnify and straighten the energy elicited. It brings fiery energy to most spells and is known for speeding up the process of manifestation. It can be placed within magical sachets or hung above doorways to ward off evil and malevolent spirits. commonly considered an aphrodisiac and can be included in love spells. Also known for its wonderful healing, been used for stomach complications and bolsters the immune system. It's very cool. So the artwork, the triple moon herb grinder, so cool. I've never gotten one of these in a box before, and that's saying something because I've gotten hundreds and hundreds of boxes at this point. Herbal potions and brews artwork. I cannot wait to put that at the front of one of my books. Flora's Embrace ritual tea and muslin bag. So it is loose leaf black tea with orange peel. Yum. Terra magical anointing oil. So it has clove, vanilla, and cedarwood oil with motherwort and basil herbs and Lamarian quartz. Dendritic agate tumblestone, very cool. The growth stone, wonderful for inner strength. Forest Floors ritual incense stick, smells delicious. Higher stimulation money spell candle. And a personalized oracle reading from the Language of Flowers deck. Very cool. I love this box. 30 bucks straight to your door. It's one of my favorite boxes. Always has really cool stuff. And I just absolutely love expanding my apothecary. I have all the beautiful artwork and the Book of Shadow pages for all of these herbs. It's just been a joy, and I highly recommend it to you. Stay tuned, because just in my eyesight, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 packages to unbox for you guys, and it looks like 6 decks. 15 packages, sorry, 6 decks. and golly, that's just what I have today. I still get my regular shipments, so lots and lots to come. Things are changing around here, and I hope to do a live soon to kind of chat with you guys about what's been going on with me, because it's a lot. I love you guys so much. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.